Algebra 2 is when everything gets a little bit crazy. We're going to see equations that have x squared, that have x cubed, that have x to who knows what power. We're going to see exponents again, but we're also going to be seeing things like logarithm. We're going to start dividing and doing long division with x in it, which is a little bit gross if I have to admit. And we're going to be looking at what equations are, how to graph them, and also what is the inverse of an equation. How do I understand what this equation means if I've never seen it before? How do I understand equations as a relationship to one another? How can I learn what the shift and stretch of a graph is, even if I don't know what exactly this graph even does? For a student wondering what this class is, essentially, we're going to be doing a lot of graphing. We're going to be moving graphs up and down and left and right and squishing them and squeezing them. And for a parent wondering what this class is, this class takes some of the very later bits of Algebra 1 and some of the early bits of pre-calculus and most of Algebra 2. This class will not necessarily go deeply into trigonometry because I offer that course separately. And this will be going into how to approach different problems and different equations, even if your student doesn't quite know what those equations are off the bat. It shows a lot of the more general ways to approach problem solving rather than showing them every single equation they may ever run into. It more gives strategies that they may use across the board.